Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be making a nude lip gloss, a nude pink lip gloss. So if you want to know where I get all of my ingredients, go check out our description box and go check out our website. First thing, I'm going to show you everything that I have. So this is Versagel No Mineral Oil. It's amazing. It's vegan as well. I will put the link to where you can find this product in the description box. So if you want to know all the ingredients, it will be in my description box and where I get them from. So this is our Yummy Pink Lip Liquid from TKB Trading. The direct link will be in my description box. And then I have the White Lip Liquid from TKB Trading. And this is Lauren Oil's bubblegum flavoring. Here is my syringe. I can put the direct link on where I got my syringe from. Here's my pipette. And with pipettes, you want to cut here, and then you want to cut at the end, and then you can attach it. And I will show you guys how I do that. Okay, so you cut here, and then you cut right here. Now you can attach. There you go. Now your pipette is attached, and this is our Versagel, which is our lip gloss base. There you go. There you go. Now let's mix. Mix until it's not clumpy and it's all smooth. See, it's all clumpy. Now you just have to keep on mixing until it's evenly. Just get our Yummy Pink lip liquid. One, okay. There you go. And then we're gonna add 1 drop of our white lip liquid. It's really up to you. So with this, you can experiment with it. See if you want to add white, see if you don't. It's really up to you, but these are some of the ingredients to use. See? Like a little goes a long way, honestly, guys. So this is a thinner lip gloss, by which makes it easier for your lip gloss to be pigmented. When it's thicker, it's really hard. You have to add a lot. So that's why it's best to keep your nude lip glosses very thin. So it can be pigmented. There you go. And then mix it again. And what I like to do, I like to let it just, sit for maybe about 5 minutes. For some reason, to me, I think the color changes. Like it gets more dark, in my opinion. I don't know. That's just me, though. Ooh, so pretty. Green oil, which is bubblegum. So bubblegum flavoring oil, literally, there you go. A little goes a long way because this is extra strength, so yeah. Ooh, it smells so good. But yeah. And like the flavoring oil and stuff, that's really up to you. You don't have to put flavoring oil in all of your lip glosses. But honestly, it's really up to you. All right. Look at that, y'all. Okay. So I'm gonna just let it chill. I don't know. I just like sit down, let it chill for maybe like a few minutes, and then I start putting it in my syringe. And then yeah, but here, check out my tubes. These are my tubes. It's a beautiful brown top. It's custom, but you'll be able to see my name better. But yeah. So I'm gonna just take the tops off. I don't know why I didn't do that earlier when I cleaned them. I don't know. But yeah, reminder, all the ingredients that I used will be in the description box. But see y'all, to me it looks like it got darker. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh. Okay. Now I'm gonna add it in my pipette. And this is a 60 ml pipette. So it actually holds a lot. So you could either just do this, but this is a white desk. I just don't want to get messy, so I might skip through most of this anyway. Ooh, look how they go down. Ooh. So pretty. Let's fill up the tube. Hold on, let me see if it's... Let's fill up the tube. Ooh. Sorry, there was a bubble. Oh my god, I got another bubble. Really, guys? Come on. Really, Julie? Okay. There you go. Ooh la la. This is so pretty. That's like actually really pretty. But yeah. This is how you make a pink nude lip gloss. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. Even if you have some tips or anything, comment down below. Or any other content that you would like to see, comment down below. And don't forget to check out our description box for where we get our ingredients, such as our flavoring oil, our lip liquids, even this. We got this bowl from the Dollar Tree for $1, of course. But yeah, stay glowing.